If you're looking to have more energy, lose weight, and just have an overall healthy lifestyle, start your day with this drink. Lemon, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. The combination of these three items have amazing health benefits. So we're going to start juicing one lemon, which is loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, digestion. The citric acid in lemons may stimulate gastric acid production, which can aid in digestion, reduce bloating. Antioxidants will boost your immune system. You won't get sick as much. If you are sick, it'll fight whatever you're dealing with. The vitamin C supports collagen production, which is good for your skin, your hair, reduces wrinkles, boosts metabolism to promote weight loss. The citric acid can break up kidney stones from forming. It also just balances the overall pH levels in the body. And make sure you're using fresh lemon. Don't get that fake stuff you see in the grocery store in the little lemon bottle. That's not real lemon juice. Juice of one lemon, turmeric, cayenne pepper. These are great for anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce inflammation in the body, obviously. Turmeric has a compound called curcumin, which is shown to reduce inflammation in the body. And cayenne contains high levels of capsaicin, and capsaicin studies have proven to reduce inflammation in the body. So these two together will do wonders for your body, especially if you have arthritis. This together is a natural painkiller. If you have digestive problems like heartburn, this will help with that. It will also support brain health, reducing the chance of getting things like Alzheimer's, and can improve your overall cognitive brain function. You just want about half a teaspoon of each spice in the lemon juice. And you want to put some pepper. You need the pepper because that'll help the body absorb and properly digest the turmeric. Once all that's in, grab some water. If the drink is too strong, you could add some honey or another sweetener to sort of mellow it out. But I like it just like this. Stir it with the straw. Have this every morning on an empty stomach and you will feel so much better. Make this a daily habit. Your body will thank you.